Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can edit our videos in a very creative way using free tool. Okay, so let me show you one story that I have recently uploaded on my Insta. One is this. So let's see this story first. As you can see, this is the cup, okay, that I have just that's my picture, okay, that I have clicked on coffee shop, and let's see this story. So as you can see here in this story, I have used one cup and I'm using here one amazing clip in this cup. So how can I add this clip like here? Okay, so let's do with this VN editor. So we are going to use your VN editor. You can use that VN editor in your phone, or you can use the editor in MacBook or your laptop. So let me show you how we can do this. So first of all, we need to open the VN editor. So that's the VN editor. Click on new project, and as you can see here, there's nothing. Now let me just drag and drop one picture here. You can use any picture. As you can see, that's picture, okay, that I have clicked. So I'm going to just drag and drop that picture in VN editor. You can use any picture, any scene, anything, okay, and you can merge any two things. Okay, so let's see, that's the picture here. I'm going to delete this VN editor from here like this. Now what we need to do here, we need to add one more clip. Okay, so if you want to add any clip, let's try this. So let me just add this one clip. As you can see, this clip is like this. See, it's look awesome. So let's download this clip first, okay, and we need to go to the just download it. As you can see, that's the video that I already have. Okay, so let's just drag and drop that video in VN editor above that image like here. Done. As you can see, we have two images right now, and it's look like this. Now what we need to do, we just need to select this one image, okay, this one, sorry, video, and just click on mask. As you can see in the bottom, here is the mask. Just click on this, and as you can see, there are a lot of options. I will select this one mask, this radius, and now let me just try to do this here first, and wait, just like this. And as you can see, just click on this clip, okay, and click on mask. And as you can see, this is here one arrow. Just drag your arrow like this. So this will cover like a shadow, okay, like this. So it will look more, more original, like this. Okay, so yes, it's done. Now let me just try to just make this like 3 to 5 seconds, and let me just try this clip also to the longer like this. And this will start from here, and let me just play this, how this will work, and just play this. And as you can see here, it's look like awesome, right? So that's the amazing editing we have done using free tool that is called VN editor. You can do a lot of things using this. Let me know if you are interested in the editing. So just comment on the video. I'll try to make more videos like editing tools. So please subscribe my channel, like this video, and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.